Tired of spending hours chopping veggies in the kitchen? Say goodbye to tedious meal prep with our revolutionary portable mini chopper. With its lightning-fast blades, this compact powerhouse turns chopping, mincing, and dicing into a breeze. From crunchy carrots to stubborn garlic cloves, it blitzes through ingredients in seconds. Whether you're a busy parent, a culinary enthusiast, or a camping aficionado, our mini chopper is your kitchen sidekick. Lightweight and portable, it's ready to tackle any chopping task, anywhere, anytime. Perfect for RV trips, picnics, or tiny kitchens, its space-saving design makes storage a cinch. Get ready to upgrade your bathroom game with our innovative self-adhesive towel bar. Our towel bar's powerful adhesive backing means no more drilling, no more mess, just peel, stick, and voila. Whether you're in a cozy apartment, a bustling family home, or an RV adventurer, our sleek towel bar fits seamlessly into any space. Perfect for towels, robes, or even kitchen essentials, it's the ultimate organizer for your daily routine. Experience the freedom to work from any angle. With its smooth 360-degree rotation, this stand lets you effortlessly switch between landscape and portrait modes, adjust the viewing angle, and find your perfect ergonomic position. Say goodbye to neck strain and hello to productivity paradise. Meet your new cleaning sidekick, the Bendable multi-purpose cleaning brush. Bend it, flex it, conquer every nook and cranny. With its flexible design, this multi-purpose brush effortlessly adapts to any surface or shape, from curved faucets to intricate grout lines. No more bending and contorting, just bend the brush to fit your needs and let it do the hard work for you. Whether you're tackling kitchen messes, bathroom grime, or car detailing, our cleaning brush is up to the task. Say goodbye to cluttered laundry rooms with our retractable clothes drying rack. With its sleek, space-saving design, our retractable rack effortlessly disappears when not in use, giving you back valuable floor space. Perfect for compact apartments, tiny homes, or anyone craving a clutter-free laundry sanctuary. Tired of wrestling with knives and wasting time coring apples? Say goodbye to the hassle and hello to snack time simplicity with our innovative apple corer tool. Our corer effortlessly pierces through apples, removing cores with precision and ease. No more messy slicing or wasted fruit, just perfectly cored apples ready for snacking or baking in seconds. Whether you're packing lunches for the kids, whipping up a batch of apple slices for dipping, or adding fresh fruit to your favorite recipes, our apple corer makes it a breeze. Step up your shoe game with our vertical narrow shoe rack. Our sleek, vertical design fits seamlessly into tight corners, narrow entryways, or cramped closets, transforming wasted space into a stylish shoe haven. Perfect for urban apartments, cozy cottages, or anyone craving a clutter-free home. Whether you're storing sneakers, sandals, or stilettos, our narrow shoe rack provides the perfect solution. Tired of spending ages in the kitchen chopping veggies by hand? Say goodbye to tedious meal prep and hello to effortless slicing with our cutting-edge electric vegetable slicer. Lightning fast and razor sharp, our slicer blitzes through veggies with precision and speed, turning mundane chopping tasks into a culinary adventure. From crispy cucumbers to tough potatoes, it slices through them all with ease, giving you perfectly uniform slices every time. Versatile and efficient. Whether you're whipping up a stir-fry, preparing a salad, or making homemade potato chips, our electric slicer offers a variety of slicing options to suit your culinary needs. With adjustable thickness settings, it's the ultimate kitchen companion for busy cooks and aspiring chefs alike. Armor for your iPhone. Our case offers top-notch protection against drops, bumps, and scratches, ensuring your precious device stays safe and sound wherever life takes you. With its durable materials and precision engineering, it's like a suit of armor for your phone. Available in a range of chic designs and vibrant colors, our case not only adds personality to your device but also complements your unique style. Say goodbye to heavy lifting with our water gallon lifter carrier. Our lifter carrier makes transporting water gallons a breeze, whether you're refilling your water cooler, stocking up at the grocery store, or heading out for a camping trip. Crafted from durable materials and designed for maximum strength, our lifter carrier can handle the weight of multiple water gallons with ease. Shield your sofa in style. Our cover offers premium protection against spills, stains, pet hair, and everyday wear, ensuring your beloved L-shaped sofa stays looking pristine for years to come. It's like a suit of armor for your furniture. Elevate breakfast with our mini waffle maker machine. Our mini waffle maker churns out perfectly golden waffles in minutes, whether you're craving classic Belgian waffles, savory potato waffles, or sweet dessert waffles. With its compact size and efficient performance, it's the ultimate breakfast companion for busy mornings and lazy weekends alike. Spice up your kitchen with our wall-mounted spice rack organizer. Our spice rack keeps all your herbs and spices neatly organized and within arm's reach, so you can easily find what you need while cooking up a storm in the kitchen. With its space-saving design, it's the perfect solution for maximizing storage in even the smallest culinary spaces. Whether you're a gourmet chef or a culinary novice, our spice rack inspires creativity and makes seasoning your dishes a breeze. Effortless organization at your fingertips. Our slim cart glides smoothly on sturdy wheels, making it easy to transport items from room to room. Whether you're tidying up the kitchen, organizing craft supplies, or decluttering the laundry room, it's the perfect companion for keeping essentials close at hand. Safety first, always. Our finger guard provides a protective barrier between your fingers and the blade, preventing accidental cuts and injuries during food preparation. With its durable stainless steel construction, it's like having a personal bodyguard for your hands in the kitchen. Maximize your kitchen space with our pull-out cabinet organizer. Our pull-out organizer smoothly glides in and out of cabinets, giving you instant access to pots, pans, spices, and pantry items without rummaging or reaching. With its sturdy construction and adjustable dividers, our organizer keeps fragile cookware safe from scratches, chips, and dents. Say goodbye to jumbled stacks and hello to orderly storage that preserves the lifespan of your kitchen essentials. Elevate your wine experience with the magic of technology. Our electric wine opener. With just the push of a button, our electric wine opener effortlessly glides through corks like a dream, making uncorking your favorite vintage a mesmerizing experience. It's like magic for your wine ritual. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or enjoying a cozy night in, our electric wine opener adds an extra extra dash of excitement and elegance to any occasion. Tired of rummaging through cluttered cabinets to find the right spice? Say goodbye to spice chaos and hello to culinary bliss with our sleek and stylish countertop spice rack organizer, the ultimate kitchen companion for spice lovers and cooking enthusiasts alike. Our countertop spice rack organizer provides easy access to your favorite spices and herbs so you can add flavor to your dishes with ease. With its compact design and convenient placement on your countertop, it's like having a spice bazaar right at your fingertips. Whether you're whipping up a gourmet meal or experimenting with new recipes, our spice rack organizer inspires creativity and makes seasoning your dishes a breeze. Make handwashing fun and easy with our faucet extender. Our faucet extender easily attaches to any standard faucet, bringing the water closer to little hands and making it easier for kids to reach and control the flow. It's like having a step stool for the sink, but without the clutter. With its adorable design and vibrant colors, our faucet extender adds a touch of whimsy to your bathroom decor while making handwashing an enjoyable experience for kids of all ages. Keep your corner sink clean and clog-free with our corner sink filter net. Our sink filter net fits snugly into the corner of your sink, trapping food scraps, debris, and other particles before they can cause clogs or backups. With its fine mesh design, it allows water to flow freely while capturing even the tiniest bits of waste. It's like a protective shield for your sink. Easy to install, easy to clean. Simply place our corner sink filter net in the corner of your sink and let it do its magic. Declutter your space with style. Collapsible storage bins organizer. Whether you're organizing clothes in the bedroom, toys in the playroom, or supplies in the office, our storage bins do it all. With their collapsible design, they effortlessly adapt to your storage needs, making them the perfect solution for every room in the house. Our storage bins organizer is designed to maximize storage space while minimizing visual clutter. When not in use, simply collapse them flat for easy storage. No more bulky bins taking up precious space. Its organization made simple and stylish. Peel, slice, and dice with ease. Meet your new kitchen hero, the vegetable peeler. Our vegetable peeler glides through fruits and vegetables like a hot knife through butter, making quick work of even the toughest skins. Whether you're peeling potatoes, carrots, or apples, it's the ultimate time-saving tool for meal prep magic. Maximize your microwave space with our microwave oven rack organizer. Our microwave oven rack organizer elevates your microwave game by adding an extra shelf for cookware, dishes, or pantry items. Beyond just organizing your microwave, our rack organizer can also be used as a countertop shelf for storing spices, condiments, or small kitchen appliances. Tired of spending hours scrubbing floors and wringing out mops? Say goodbye to backbreaking cleaning chores and hello to effortless sparkle with our cutting-edge microfiber spin mop and bucket set, the ultimate cleaning companion for every household. Our microfiber spin mop effortlessly lifts and locks in dirt, dust, and spills with its ultra-absorbent microfiber mop head. With a quick spin in the bucket, it's like magic, leaving your floors sparkling clean and dry in no time. With its swivel mop head and ergonomic handle, our spin mop glides effortlessly around furniture and into tight corners, reaching every nook and cranny with ease. Make perfect dumplings every time with our 2-in-1 dumpling maker. Our 2-in-1 dumpling maker features two sides, one for filling and shaping dumplings, and the other for cutting dough into perfectly sized circles. With its clever design, it streamlines the dumpling making process, allowing you to create uniform, professional-looking dumplings with ease. Whether you're craving traditional dumplings, pot stickers, or stuffed pastries, our dumpling maker lets you unleash your creativity in the kitchen. Charge up, light up, and unwind. Our G-shaped wireless charger doubles as a sleek and stylish night lamp, providing gentle illumination that's perfect for late-night reading, relaxing, or setting the mood. With its soft, ambient glow, it creates a tranquil atmosphere that's conducive to rest and relaxation. Tired of struggling to reach every corner of your windows or risking your safety on precarious ledges? Say goodbye to streaks and smudges and hello to crystal clear windows with our innovative double-sided magnetic window cleaner, the ultimate solution for hassle-free window cleaning. Our double-sided magnetic window cleaner features powerful magnets that lock onto each other through the glass, allowing you to clean both sides of your windows simultaneously. It's like having two cleaning tools in one, saving you time and effort. With our magnetic window cleaner, there's no need to lean out of windows or climb ladders to reach high or hard-to-access areas. Simply attach the cleaner to the inside and outside of your window, and let the magnets do the work. Revolutionize your waste management with our stylish trash can. Our trash can combines form and function with its sleek, modern design and innovative features. From touchless sensors to odor control technology, it's a trash can that's designed to make waste management effortless and even a little fun. With our eco-friendly trash can, you can feel good about reducing waste and minimizing your environmental impact. Slice, dice, and create with ease. Introducing the rolling dough cutter. Our rolling dough cutter features sharp blades that effortlessly slice through dough, pastry, fondant, and more with precision and ease. Whether you're creating cookies, pizzas, or decorative pie crusts, it's the secret weapon for achieving professional-looking results at home. Say goodbye to icy frustrations and hello to smooth sailing with our trusty car ice scraper, the ultimate companion for winter warriors and early risers alike. Our ice scraper features a sturdy blade that effortlessly cuts through thick ice and frost, making quick work of even the toughest winter buildup. With its ergonomic handle and comfortable grip, it's the perfect tool for tackling icy windows with ease. Ring and convenience with our wireless doorbell. Our wireless doorbell offers a customizable selection of chimes and tunes, ensuring you never miss a visitor again. From classic tones to festive melodies, you can choose the perfect sound to suit your style and set the tone for every arrival. With its plug-and-play design, our wireless doorbell is a breeze to set up. Simply attach the transmitter to your door frame and plug the receiver into any standard outlet. Thanks for diving into the world of gadgets with us. Have a favorite gadget or want to share your thoughts? Drop a comment down below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay up to date with the coolest gadgets hitting the market. Join our gadget community and be the first to know. Until next time, stay curious, stay tech savvy, and keep exploring the wonders of the gadget universe. See you in the next video.